Hey everyone, welcome back to VB Graphics. In today's video, we're diving into a magical Photoshop manipulation inspired by Harry Potter himself. I'll show you step by step how I created this epic poster using dynamic lighting, depth effects, and cinematic blending techniques. From Hogwarts Castle in the background to the flying pose on the broomstick, every element has been carefully crafted to bring the wizarding world to life. Make sure to stick around till the end. I'll share a bonus tip that makes your fantasy posters look movie-level professional. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more awesome design tutorials every week. Let's jump into the magic.